Katie Annie, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best Yorkshire puddings. Okay, first, get out 3 eggs. You have to beat these in a bowl first, so crack them each in. And the 3rd egg. Now, you take a mixer and you beat them until they're really white and fluffy. Okay, that will ensure that the eggs will rise nicely. Now, put in a cup of flour, and you have to add salt to this mix, so add in a ½ teaspoon of salt. Next, make a hole in the middle of the thing, pushing the flour and the salt to the side, and measure out ½ cup of milk. Just pour it all in. And then take your spoon thing again and mix it in. Once it's mixed enough in, get your eggs and pour your eggs in. Make sure you get all the eggs out of here, because the eggs is what make it rise. You want puffy Yorkshire puddings. So stir it in really well. Now, take your mixing thingy again and mix all the eggs with the flour and the milk and stuff. Since it's a little hard to mix now, I'm going to add the ½ cup of water in. This should make it easier to do. Beat it for a long time until it's really well mixed. Now, since it's totally mixed, we're gonna have to let it sit for like a ½ an hour to an hour. This is great while you're like getting the rest of your roast beef dinner ready. So we're just gonna let it sit. The next step, after you've mixed up all the batter, is to set the oven to 400 degrees. It's gonna take a while to heat up, so we'll do some stuff. We're gonna put about a tablespoonful of oil in each of the little hole things. We heat the oil up in the oven first so that when we like put the batter in after, it's all hot and sizzly, and then it just goes in a big puff when it bakes. So put it in the oven. Carefully, because it can spill. Now, while it's right hot, we gotta pour the batter in. It's gonna make a bit sizzly. Don't fill them all the way to the top. Now that I'm finished, I'm gonna put them back in the oven and bake them for about 20 minutes. You're not supposed to peek, but I always do. Woo! I'm gonna take them out now. Whoa, they look good. Nice puff. Once you take them out of the oven, you gotta put them into another basket because you don't want them sitting in oil, otherwise it'll make the bottoms of them soggy and they won't be very nice to eat. If they stick, just take a fork, and now they just pop out perfectly. This is what they look like inside. Nice and puffy, and the air bubbles make those kind of holes. This is how you make the best Yorkshire puddings ever. Warning that your results may vary based on atmospheric conditions and cook competence. Thank you for watching. Katie Annie.